Good morning, students. Let's start our English class with another topic, that is paragraph writing. So, what is a paragraph? A paragraph is a short composition in which a topic is explained. Any title, any topic is given to you, and facts related to that topic, ideas related to that topic, that you write in the form of a paragraph. Okay, so there are certain points that you need to keep in mind while writing a paragraph. It means that you need to write precisely. You should not repeat the sentences while writing a paragraph. And the facts about the topic, those should be clearly explained in that paragraph. And a paragraph should have a concluding line also. Okay, so let's start with this terms topic. Okay, so this time you have concept of past tense. In pt1 you had concept of present tense. So here for example I have taken, how did you celebrate your birthday? It means आपने अपना बर्थडे कैसे मनाया. When we say manaya, it means we are talking about past. So for writing this paragraph, certain points are there, certain things are there that you need to keep in mind. So let's discuss those points. First thing is, you are to write in simple past tense using second form of verb. This is something very much important. Rather, we can say it is the most important point. This will show whether you are able to understand the topic or not. Okay, so while writing, when anything is asked to you in past tense, you are to write everything in simple past tense, because as the question itself it says, how did you? It means you will give your answer, whatever you are going to write, that you will write in simple past tense using second form of verb. Next thing is, when you start writing, you are to give introduction of the topic, as your topic is how did you celebrate your birthday. So 2-3 lines related to your birthday, that you will write as introductory lines, as introduction of the topic. Mind one thing, you are to write everything in single paragraph. You are not to change the paras, right? So it is, next thing is, what are the things that you can write here? It is, first you will write introduction, after that when did you celebrate your birthday, you will mention about the date. Next is, where did you celebrate it? आपने अपना बर्थडे कहाँ मनाया, एंड हाउ डिड यू सेलिब्रेट इट? आपने अपना बर्थडे कब मनाया, कहाँ मनाया, कैसे बनाया? If you write about all these points, definitely that is going to be a very good paragraph. Okay, so how did you celebrate your birthday? For that certain hints are given, like you can mention about the different activities or games that you organized on that day. Then you can mention about the decoration part, about invitation, return gifts, etc. So many things are there that you do on your birthday. So you have to write about how did you, what are the different things that you did on your birthday. So I am going to give you example. It is just an example. You will get some idea that what are the things that you can write in your paragraph. Okay, so you can start it like this, that my birthday falls in the month of, I don't know whether it can be June, July, August, whatever it is. Okay, so every year I celebrate this day with great enthusiasm. Definitely we celebrate our birthday very much enthusiastically, right? And the third thing is, third sentence is, this year also I celebrated my birthday with my near and dear ones. Now this sentence will change the idea. From here you can start writing in past tense. Earlier two sentences, those were the introduction of the topic, right? from here, from this sentence, you can write in past tense because you have mentioned its beginning is done like this कि मेरा बर्थडे इस महीने होता है, हर साल मैं अपना बर्थडे बहुत धूमधाम से मनाता हूँ और इस साल भी मैंने अपना बर्थडे अपने करीबी रिश्तेदारों के साथ मनाया. देन यू कैन स्टार्ट राइटिंग कि आपने क्या क्या किया. यू हैव अ ह्यूज लिस्ट. आई हैव गिवन दैट लिस्ट. You can use these hints to complete your paragraph. These are merely hints. You can explain these hints and that will be a very good paragraph, right? Like you can mention, I cut the cake, I invited all my school friends, my mother cooked our favorite dishes, decorated my room. These are only the hints. You are to frame proper sentence and then your composition will be complete, right? So towards the end you can write about that I gave returned gifts to my friends and I was tired, and when I went to bed I thanked my parents for such a grand celebration. So overall I enjoyed the celebration. You can write about this also. So this is how you are to write this paragraph. I hope everything is clear to you. So write it in your notebook using these hints. You can write something extra also if you have some other idea, right? So I hope you will be able to write. Thank you. Have a nice day.